Hello and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In this 1-minute Power BI video to make scatter chart visual in Power BI. We will make a scatter chart looking like this in just few minutes. Go to your Power BI canvas. Select and drag the scatter chart icon from the visualization section. We want to make the visual to analyze the revenue data. Next, I will select and drop date to x-axis, and I only want months as my x-axis. Now, I will select and drag revenue to the y-axis field. I will select state and drop it to the legend field. I will select revenue and drop it to the size. This will display the revenue data as the size of the bubble in the visual. Larger the bubble, greater will be the revenue. Now we want to make our visual look more presentable. In order to do that, go to the Format Your Visual section and select Markers, and we'll change the color of bubbles. Let's select orange for California, green for Nevada, and blue for New York. If you want to learn how to make a dynamic scatter chart like this, then click on the link above or select the Dynamic Play Axis Scatter Plot video at the end of this video. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel and learn about Power BI every day. Check out for more videos like this. At the end of this video, click